Good.
Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I have what I believe is a Tracy body. There's no tag on it, so I'm not sure. But this is a Kz1000 A. No, this is Kz1000 LTD frame. We think that this body will work on Z1 also. It's all one-piece unit. It's been around the block. I imagine this thing is at least 40-some years old, just guessing. Obviously, the seat needs to be recovered. I'm gonna get rid of this goofy cover here so it looks cool. But anyway, we're gonna get rid of the spiked up thing. Now, what we're gonna do is show you. It's curved in like this. It's got the side panels and stuff that's very similar. Now, also underneath here, it's got the thread-in fuel valve. So this leads me to believe that 77 and down fuel valves for the big four will work on this. Okay, so we're gonna flip it over and show you how it mounts. First of all, let's get underneath it, under here. Without moving the body, we're going to go all the way down. We're going to go all the way down and take a look at the holes where it mounts from the bottom of the frame right here underneath. See, there's two holes? That's where it mounts. Okay. Now, we're going to pick this up. Okay, we're going to flip it this way. So as you can see, there's the mount. Now it's got some putty here and there. I can't guarantee anything on this. This is, I'm not going to check it for leaks or anything like that. We bought a Kawasaki inventory and this came with it. Shipping is going to be kind of a pain. It can be done, but shipping is going to be a pain. So thanks for looking. And we're going to get some more detailed pictures. But as I say, the seat's gooned a little bit. This is gooned a little bit, and this has been, looks like it's been patched up. Whether it leaks there or not, I don't know. Or maybe they did that for safety, who knows. If they can only talk after 50 years, it'd be great. All right, well, thanks for looking, and we'll go from there.